If you think you need a gym to build an impressive physique, you're probably wasting money. I spent 30 days doing calisthenics with zero gym equipment, and the surprising part wasn't just the muscle I built, it was how much stronger and athletic I felt. Because let's be honest, you've probably tried push-ups, random squats, maybe a few pull-ups, then quit because there was no plan. I was exactly that guy. So I tested a simple progression system for 30 days, and by the end, my chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even posture looked noticeably different. But here's the thing nobody talks about. The exercises aren't the secret. The progression is. Be honest, how many push-ups can you actually do with perfect form? I started with 3 things: push, pull, and legs. For pushing, I used push-ups and progressively harder variations. Instead of doing endless reps, I stopped each set when my form started breaking down. Why? Because sloppy reps are basically paying for a gym membership with your joints. For pulling, I used pull-ups or bodyweight rows. This was the missing piece for my physique because pushing everything and ignoring your back is how you build the classic front looks decent, side profile looks questionable physique. Then came legs, squats, lunges, and single leg variations. Simple, but the real trick was making the exercises harder instead of just doing more reps. Think of it like leveling up in a game. If level 1 becomes easy, you don't replay it forever. You increase the difficulty. And that's exactly what I did. Now, real talk. If you're using an app, resistance bands, or even a basic pull-up bar to follow your workouts, that's completely fine. The equipment isn't the point. Consistency is. My 30-day system was simple. Week 1, learn the movements and build consistency. Week 2, add reps. Week 3, upgrade exercise difficulty. Week 4, push intensity while keeping form strict. And here's the underrated part. I trained my core throughout the week instead of saving abs for one miserable session. Planks, leg raises, and controlled hollow body work. By day 30, I wasn't magically transformed into a superhero, but I looked leaner, moved better, and had noticeably more control over my body. So if you're waiting for the perfect gym, perfect equipment, or perfect program, stop waiting. Your body is already the equipment. And the next time you see someone doing 200 random push-ups, remember, more reps don't automatically mean more results. Better progression does.